Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I want to go ahead and talk about getting those perfect brows in 10 minutes. The products I'm going to be using today are going to be the Anastasia DipBrow in medium brown. And to apply this, I'm going to be using the MAC 208 brush. And to sculpt my brows, I'm going to be using the MAC 242 brush with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. And finishing it off with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm going to start off with a small amount of the DipBrow pomade to sculpt the base of my brows. I usually start off in the middle of the brow and slowly build my way into the inner part of the brow to kind of create that perfect shape and following your natural hair growth. This part doesn't have to be 100% perfect because we will go ahead and sculpt with the concealer at the very end. I do usually like to extend the tail of my brows to give me a little bit more elongated shape. When we're all done perfecting the base, we're going to go ahead and concentrate on the tail of the brow and create a triangle that we're going to be able to fill in at the end. Go ahead and determine where the highest point of your eyebrow is, and that's where your arch will start. Continue to connect that to the tail of your eyebrow, and that will create the perfect arch. Now we're going to go ahead and create a line that's parallel to the base of the brow and connect that to the arch. This may seem very time consuming, which it can be at the beginning, but once you do it often, it'll get easier and easier and you will get faster and faster at creating your perfect brows. Now that we have stenciled out the perfect brows, we can definitely go ahead and fill them in, keeping the beginning of the brow a little bit lighter to create more of a natural effect. You can also use the tip of the brush and create hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow to create more of a natural look as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a spoolie brush to really brush the beginning of those brows to get a really seamless blend. Next I'll be using my 242 MAC brush with some concealer to sculpt the brow. This is actually my favorite part of doing my brows because if my brows are not 100% perfect, I can actually make them perfect with this concealer. Be sure to take your time during this process because you wouldn't want to ruin any of your previous work that you just done. Also, don't worry about the concealer being blended. Go ahead and just use your finger at the very end to blend any lines that were created by the concealer. Now to finish off the brows, I'm going to be using the Clear Brow Gel to go ahead and tame all hairs and set everything in place. This is just with one brow done, and this is with both brows done. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and we'll definitely see you next time.